Hello friends, I am Sapun and welcome to your favorite channel Canvas. Friends, today we will learn watercolor painting. Is it? So friends, at first we have to complete the drawing properly, and this drawing is a very simple drawing. Here I will not show you the process, just you have to complete the drawing very lightly. So friends, I think you can draw this one very easily. Is it? Yes, you can, because you have learned so many things. So this landscape is a very simple one, and just here we will learn only watercolor. Okay, just at first we have to complete the whole drawing, and then we can start the color. Okay, friends. Friends, see, you have to also complete the drawing with me, and then we can start the color. Okay, and when you start the watercolor, at that time just we should follow the process. Friends, see, when we will apply the sky, at first we will use normal water. Okay, see, here I am using normal water. Then we can apply the ultramarine blue for the sky. For river, we can apply same process, normal water, then ultramarine blue. Okay, and see friends, when we will apply the tree, here just we will apply sap green, lemon yellow, and dark area just we will apply sap green with ultramarine blue. Okay, and so friend, see, in this way we'll complete the first tone. Just we'll complete the bushes, land, hill. At first we have to complete the first tone properly. When we will apply the first tone, at that time uh, we should we should fill the light and shadow areas. Okay, also friends, we should apply the perspective color, mean front area, back area, everywhere we will not apply same depth. When we will go to back portion, there we should apply very light color. Okay, in this way we have to complete the first tone. After completing the first tone, we have to apply the second tone. See, second tone, when we'll apply, at that time we should follow the particular color. I mean, first tone and second tone both are not same, so see the second tone also. Okay, and it's better you can use a tester pad. Okay, and you can judge the particular color. If you use a tester pad, then you can mixing the color there. After mixing the color and after judging, you can apply the color. Okay, and see, so friends, see, in this way we have to complete whole painting. Okay, and see the very sensitive areas. I'm not using too much color, but when you will apply the color, at that time you should also follow the process, because this is the things. Watercolor means minimum touch and maximum feedback. If you want to good result or maximum result, so you should feel the process, you should feel the nature atmosphere also. Okay, and in this way we'll complete whole painting. After that, just we'll go to the houses. Okay, Friends, almost our painting is completed, and I'm sure that you enjoy a lot. And if you need any help from me, you can contact with us. Okay. And friends, I told so many times that if you want to learn watercolor painting and drawing, and you can contact with us. Okay, we are taking online and offline both classes, so students are learning so many things from us. And if you need help, please don't forget to contact with us. And if you love this video, so please subscribe the channel and share the video with your circles. So friends, bye.